Well, guys, welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we're going to try the 6x6 one more time, see what we can do. Got the wife and Landon with me, and we're going to see what we can do. So, let's go. There's no animal that's gonna pinch you. Probably just your imagination. Ready to go? Your phone's upside down. Let it. You go that way, I'll go around. Which chain is jumping? That chain? So it's this chain jumping now. That chain is jumping! It's thick. Huh? Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Back up. Whoa, that's good. Ah! Guys, let's pray my well's hold. Put it in low. Ready? Put it in the L.
L.
Okay, I'll tell you when to go, okay? Whoa, that's deep. Okay. Go. That's good. Ugh. Ah. Huh. Oh, John, drive forward a little bit. Whoa! Digital fell off. Well guys, it's working pretty good now. Tensional's, forgot to tighten tensional up. Come on. Aha! We got it, guys. Woo! I gotta put a thicker tensional on, a tighter tensional, I guess. guys, we did it. Oh no, we broke the chain. Woo. I knew it felt weird at the end. So we broke that chain. Gotta fix that. But as y'all saw, it's working. We got the 6x6 going. Ah, dang, a bug got me. But anyways, we'll put another chain on it. Put a tensioner on it because I know what that was. I just had it way too tight. Anyways, we'll fix that, put a tensioner on it. Got a nice tensioner on this, ready to go. And we'll have it going. Y'all, I'm just glad to finally have one in the mud, guys. Well, guys, it's next morning. I forgot to do an exit part of the video, so thanks for watching, guys. We have a lot more to come with the little 6x6, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I know it did pretty good today. We finally got to get in some mud. We finally got to do something with it. You know, I've been working on this thing since February, so it's been kind of sad not to be able to actually drive it and mud with it till now, but we got it going. So let's see what else we can get into with this thing. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks, guys.